Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we are going to talking something about this Mivi Saxo headphone, that how you can connect this with your mobile phone using Bluetooth mod. Then how you can do so? Firstly, I'm going to telling you that if no power into this device, you can easily use these type of aux cables connected into your Mivi Saxo's aux cable 3.5 mm jack, and after that you can easily connect into your mobile phone over here. Now if you want to connect it with the Bluetooth, then what we have to do, we have to just find out the button over here, as you can see in front of you, and you have to keep pressed it for a few seconds. As you can see, it started blinking blue, and keep pressing it in until it say pairing, and it start blinking blue and red until you can't even connect it with any device. Now what we have to do, we have to just go to Bluetooth settings over here. I'm going to telling you into my mobile phone and go over here, and after that you have to just below over here you have to search for available devices. Now it's showing that maybe Saxo is over here. Then what we have to do, sorry for this noise from behind, train is passing by me, and after that you have to just click on this Mivi Saxo. It start pairing, and it will ask you that if you want to give them permission for call and history, other things, then we have to just permit, otherwise left it, and you have to click on this pair icon. When you click on this pair icon, its light will start blinking only blue, and after few seconds, not continuously red and blue. Now the device has been connected, and if we want to play some great music, we can easily do so. Over here I'm playing an NCM music. As you can see, music is playing over here, and if we want to increase the volume, and we have to just press this button over here, and over here on this Saxo device you can see, when we keep pressing it for a few seconds, it will start increasing the volume. Okay, now it's on full on music, and you can listen over here. You can easily connect control from over here. If you press for a second, for a tick, you can easily do so. You can pause the music and play again. As you can see, you can do so. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.